Actors. I'm Abrielle.
I'm Maria.
And I'm Sandy.
Okay, so we're going to be doing episode 2 of the mini podcast.
Okay.
Different members, Colette and Malloy.
Okay.
So yeah, I'm very excited to see what they're going to be talking about.
Okay.
Episode 2.
We did episode 1. I'll link it here, somewhere up there.
Somewhere.
It's Totka.
Yeah.
That's what it's
Yes.
called.
I don't know what this theme is, but
Okay.
we'll find out. No, it's already on.
Oh, okay. Okay, let's go.
Podcast Network Asia.
Absolutely love them on podcasts.
Bini! Podcast na mawalang jowa!
Harmonies.
Love that.
2, 3, mabuhay! Hi,
She's in her pajamas.
Bini Malo.
Wow, we should have.
Looks like it though.
Yeah.
Maybe not.
Welcome
Maybe it's just a
to
two-piece.
No, I think it's the denim.
Podcast ng mga walang jowa. Ano?
They're more loungy though.
Yeah, so this is our first time.
Yeah.
First time talaga namin tong gagawin. First time namin tong pag-uusapan. And
Wait, excited ako talaga. Pero kinakabahan ako. Pero excited ako. Kasi, alam mo yung masaya kasi we're able to share na our thoughts, our opinion, perspective sa ganitong mga bagay na never nila talaga naririnig.
totoo.
Ngayon, first time nila maririnig to.
Totoo. So ako din super excited ako kasi actually nag-practice kami.
Nag-practice?
Nag-practice. Pero nag-practice kami kasi syempre kung paano namin, kung
I mean,
paano
okay.
It's our first time.
namin.
That's
Pero
cute though.
Hindi namin pinractice tong episode namin. Ibang topic yung pinag-usapan namin. So ngayon, sobrang organic ng mga thoughts namin kung
That's smart.
ano mangyayari sa mga susunod na minuto. Okay, syempre. Wait! Before natin i-introduce ang ating title ng episode, kung ano pag-uusapan natin, I have nagbabagang question for you. Okay.
You're
so
nervous.
cute.
Okay, Colette. Miss Colette. Kumusta ang love life mo?
She went straight into it.
Babaga. Parang nagbabaga. Umaapoy ako.
She's on the burning seat.
Kung tumayo. Hala, bakit ganun yung question mo?
Ba't
Love
ginagawa?
life? Parang, ko-confess ka rin.
Oh, she was crush.
Okay lang, I love my life. I love my life. Okay lang. Masaya.
I like how she did that.
Yeah.
Hindi naman.
You're
Hindi
so
naman
nervous.
bagay pag love life o pag-uusapan.
It's sad how
ano,
scared they are to
like,
say anything.
my in a relationship ka, pero in general, I love my life. I love my life, guys. Ikaw,
Ako,
how's your life?
it's complicated.
They edited something out.
Hindi. Ganun din, katulad ng sinabi mo, like, yung love naman is sobrang lawak na topic. So, masaya ako sa love life ko.
Yeah.
Because I love blooms, I love you,
Aww.
I love everyone. So,
Yes.
masaya ako sa aking love life.
So, ano nga bang topic natin ngayon?
Ikaw na. Kaya
Ako?
mo yan.
Okay, may notebook ako eh.
Oh.
So, I don't wanna miss a thing. Why? Don't wanna miss a thing. So, yung topic po natin ngayon ay old school love versus Gen Z love.
Oh God, I have so much to say about this.
So, yung diba, parang ways of panliligaw ng mga old school, ng mga tao, diba? Yung mga parents natin, yung old school ways of panliligaw nila, parang, ano ba? Ang pagkakaiba nila sa Gen Z.
Dami!
Oo.
Diba? Kasi parang, ang dami ng taon yung lumipas. So, parang, dami yung nagbago. And, yung paniniwala din ng mga relationships noon, iba na sa ngayon. So, wala, parang for me, ang sarap sigurong balikan kung paano yung nag-work yung mga relationship before, diba? Tsaka yung mga naikwento ng mga magulang natin. Diba? So, parang, ay, sana all. Ay.
Kasi parang yung panliligaw dati, very traditional. Alam mo yun, parang, nafe-feel ko siya na parang anong tawag dyan? Yung mga
Nakabarot saya.
mga ganun. Nasa isip ko.
Traditional dress
very
worn by women in the
traditional.
Parang
Philippines.
mga ano naman yun? 1950s.
Basta, cute kayo. Parang nagbabasa. Mahilig ako magbasa, diba? So may nababasa ako mga ganun. Very traditional talaga sila. Pagdating sa mga ganun bagay. May mga naghaharana. Ano ba? Ano pa ba mga ginagawa nila?
Ako may mga
letters.
napanood
Red
ako.
letters.
Yung wala pa kasing mga phone nun eh. parang mga picnic date lang. Gano'n, nasa tabi lang sila ng ilog, maliligo sila ng ilog, tapos parang nap date, tutulog lang sila, magkikita
Nap
sila.
date sounds
So,
great.
No, I know,
Yeah.
for real.
Literal na quality time
Okay,
talaga
hello.
sila dati.
Yeah,
yung
had a good
mga
day,
old
alright,
school.
good night.
Kasi walang phones, literally walang phones. Ako, ikaw lang. Alam mo yun, quality time lang talaga. Parang makikilala nyo ang isa't isa pag magkasama kayo. Kasi
That's
literal
true.
wala
That's
kayong
so
gagawin
true.
Kundi ang nakaganito, face to face.
Totoo,
Ganyan lang.
mag-uusap
Ganyan.
lang kayo.
Mag-uusap lang kayo. Pag very, yung traditional din a way is yung, well, ginagawa naman siya ng Gen Z, but not, like, hindi lahat. Yung pupunta sa family, magpapaalam, ano mo yun? Na pwede po bang ligawan si Maloy?
Wow! Ano, gaganyan.
Di ba? May mga ganun eh. So,
Tapos, sa old school love, parang meron pa yung
Chop wood?
magsisibak ng kahoy. Di ba? Yung di ba yung,
Hindi ko naisip yun, pero oo
ano
nga.
yun yung sa poso? Yung
Oo,
iigib
yung
ng
mag-iigib ng
tubig.
tubig.
Tapos, ano pa ba? Yung,
Magdadala ng kalabaw.
grabe naman.
Oh, that's that animal we looked up.
Ano naman ganun? Oo.
Mga ganun. Parang yun yung mo, or isang basket ng prutas. Alam mo yung,
Oo, parang way of talaga, showing your interest.
Oh, that's
Siyempre,
cute.
hindi lang sa
So
sa
innocent.
family mo, sa family na din ang nililigawan mo.
The
Diba?
family,
Parang
coordinate
show
family.
interest ka din na, seryoso po ako sa anak niyo. Seryoso po ako kay Maloy. Parang, yan, nililigawan ko po si Maloy. And kayo din po.
That makes sense.
Actually, parang ang sarap maramdaman yung gano'n. Na, as in,
These
liligawan
days,
ka
it's
ng
wild the way they
traditionally.
approach
Kasi
you.
parang sa tingin ko ngayon, parang chivalry is dead.
Yes.
Diba? Yun. When we say chivalry, parang, pag nag-I love you ka, parang ang dali lang sabihin ng I love you.
Yes.
Kasi, well, ako for me, sobrang sacred talaga ng word na I love you na. Sasabihin ko sa'yo yung I love you kapag mahal talaga kita. Pero kung dahil nadala ka lang, dahil mahal ka ng isang tao, kaya mo sinabi na mahal mo rin siya, dahil sinabi niyang mahal ka niya, parang ang pangit naman.
Like you
nun,
can't
diba?
trust it anymore
Like,
when
for
people
the
say
sake
it.
na dahil mahal kita, dahil mahal mo ako, kaya mamahalin din kita. Hindi dahil mahal kita, dahil mahal talaga kita.
Yes.
Diba?
True. Tsaka, for me, sacred na din yung panliligaw. Kasi dati,
Oo.
it takes like years and, di ba, pag naliligaw, like years talaga na naliligaw talaga yung guy or
Wow.
kahit sino man girls. Years talaga. Pero ngayon kasi, di ba, na ano talaga, nalipas na panahon. Di ba?
Parang pag nag-usap lang kayo na, uy,
Oo, mag-meet lang, meet lang tayo somewhere, and then upo sa
And
corner,
then there's too many
usap,
options
tayo
these
na.
days.
yung parang nag-usap kayo na matagal, well, gets you. So, hala, parang mahal ko na siya. Hoy, walang ganun.
Diba?
Hindi ka, full agad. Diyos ko, kasi parang, ang bilis na talaga. Like, feeling ko, ang dami din kasing factors niyan yung mga social
That is
media,
true.
ganun, like, mga nababasa o napapanood sa mga kung saan-saang platform. So, parang nagkakaroon siya ng effect sa'yo na, okay, ganito pala yung pagmamahal. Akala mo ko yung pagmamahal, pero parang feeling ko depende talaga yan sa tao kung paano mo
Always making
mamahalin
some
yung
good
isang
points.
tao, di ba?
Tsaka, kung may nakita ka lang na video o like isang ano lang, paano ba? Parang post ng isang tao lang, tapos parang ma-relate mo agad sa rin, wala, parang ako to. Parang kami to ng ano ko.
Aminado,
So,
parang ano ko dyan ah. Wait lang.
di ba ganun? Parang pag nabasa, feeling mo para sa'yo. Parang pag nakikinig ka lang ng music, parang ginawa tong song for me. Pero wala, parang nangyari din sa akin to, or gawain din namin to ng ang hirap sabihin ng jowa, pero sige. Di ba? Pero pag Gen Z, iba na talaga. Ano bang mga na-experience natin ngayon na makakompare mo siya sa tuksuhan? Di ba? Ang dami kayo napapall sa mga
Well,
ganyan.
eto na, syempre, di ba, magiging open na kami. Okay, ako, I have an ex. Meron akong ex. So, syempre, dito ko, parang sa kanya ko naramdaman ang Gen Z love. Ay, hindi, shout out sa'yo. Okay, walang maghahanap.
Don't come up.
Hindi, pero, ayun, ano ba yung ginawa namin? Siguro, kasi kami noon, mahilig kami mag-ipon. Ganyan. So, kunwari, baon namin.
Wait, saan muna kayo nagkakilala? Paano? Ano ba? Recto ba yun?
naman.
Recto ba yun? Or like, ano ba? Friends of friends? Or...
Okay.
She's so weird.
Oh, hindi
Nasa
na
yung spotlight for now.
Wala kang kawala sa akin.
Sige.
Tatanungin din kita. Pero, kaya nagkaroon ng thing sa amin dahil nanggaling po kami sa Reto.
Ayun, sabi ko diba? Very Gen Z. Reto.
Oo, nireto ng kaibigan, nagkakilala. So, yun, let's go! Let's jowa together! Ganon! Well, huy, matagal din yun, ha? Diba? Parang na-mention ko din yan sa girls. Pero, hindi ko sinasabi yung buong details. Pero, nagtagal din yung like years. Hindi ko nasasabihin kung ilan exactly. Pero, nagtagal kami ng years. And, dami ko natutunan din sa kanya. Tapos, yun nga, yung ginagawa namin, nag-iipon kami like, siguro mga 20 pesos sa baon namin. Tapos, after a week, magde-date kami. Like, kunwari, street food date. Ganon. Or, kung saan pasok yung budget, Paris date. Ganyan. So, ayun yung mga ways of showing our love to each other. Noon. Grabe naman sa love.
Di ba kasi Gen Z ngayon. So Gen Z na pinag-uusapan natin. Na-try niyo ba na parang may school fairs? Yung alam mo yun, parang Valentine's, parang may sa school nyo, tapos parang
It's like Teddy Bear's Day,
hug
Chocolate Day, Hug Day, Kiss Day,
bibigyan ka
Rose.
flowers or
Alam-
chocolates,
Some school that would know.
Wedding booth. Wedding booth yung amin.
Wedding booth?
Kasal na agad. Di ba? Oo, kasi syempre, di ba, ang daming fair kasi sa school. So, ang daming mga, anong tawag doon? Yung mga,
blind date, mga
hindi, yung tawag sa mga extracurricular, yung mga, club.
Club.
Yung mga club. May mga club. So, every club ng school, meron silang mga
Mga
pakulo,
booths,
mga booths, gano'n. So, wedding booth lagi ang puntahan namin. Ikaw naman.
Hindi, kwento ka ba? Ano pa ba yung pwede ko ikwento?
She's like, look.
Ano ba? Pinapadalan ka ba niya ng mga flowers?
Ito naman, di ba?
Random lang.
Yun, parang i-relate ko dito sa topic natin, old school. Nung old school kasi, di ba, parang mas more on physical talaga eh. Mas pinapakita talaga kasi walang cellphone. So, para mapakita mo yung pagmamahal mo, like, kailangan mong ipakita in actions, di ba? So, yung sa akin, hinahatid sundo niya ako.
Oh,
that's
di ba?
cute.
So,
Sana all.
ay, pero yun, hatid sundo niya ako sa school. And, ayun, support lang kami sa isa't isa. So, sobrang sayang memory and very cool na kami ngayon. Friends na kami. Shout out ulit sa'yo.
Aww, that's
Ikaw.
cute.
Ako naman.
Ikaw, how
So it's like they
sweet.
still have a pretty healthy
Wala kasi
relationship,
ako.
friendship.
Wala kasi akong naging ex. I mean, never pa ako nagka-jowa kasi. Siguro ano lang, MMU. Hala! Shoutout sa nanay ko.
Tita Gina, if you're listening, don't listen. Ay,
Kasi sa family namin, very ano talaga. Ayun, very traditional din kami na family.
Actually,
Very conservative kami, ganyan-ganyan. So, patago
We're dating
kami.
a secret.
High school rin, patago yung something-something.
madami makaka-relate dyan.
Oo, patago kami. So, grade 9 ako nun. Ganon din. Parang grade 8 ko siyang crush. And then, tukso-tukso din. Alam mo yung mga dare na, uy, dare, 8 seconds, shake hands naman kayo. Yung mga ganon. Kasi ko ganon. Tapos, minsan, hihingin daw ni Colette yung bracelet mo. Yung mga ganon. Tapos, ibibigay niya naman. So, may mga
Yung mga
ganon.
small things.
Oo. Tapos, ayun, tukso-tukso talaga. May napafall talaga sa mga tukso, guys. May nade-develop talaga.
Kaya huwag niyo kaming tuksohin.
Wow.
Hindi na ganun ngayon.
So, ayun, alam mo, para sa akin, nakasal din ako.
In the wedding booth.
Hala, sorry. Ay, joke.
Nakasal din ako.
Sa wedding booth?
Oo, sobrang, sa gym kasi yun. Syempre, pag gym, madaming tao, so madaming nakakaalam. Hiyang-hiya talaga ako. Ako pa naman na tao na hindi talaga showy. Hindi so grabing hiya ko talaga. Tapos, may video, hanggang ngayon may video. Ako tawa ko na tawa pag naaalala.
Video reveal po, Miss Colette.
Oh, yes.
Ay, may mga supportive na mga friends mo. Binibideo ka lahat ng galaw, di ba? So, ayun, na-try ko yung mga. Pero hindi ako inatis yun kasi nahihiya ako. Pero,
Kilala lang, ay hindi, tago
hindi
na.
na ay, kilala ng nanay ko. Sabi
Pero
na,
alam niya na,
alam niya na meron, pero alam mo yung pag high school, alam mo ako, ganyan. Pipiliin mo ba yung ganyan or magtitigil ka sa pag-aaral mo, mga ganyan yan. Tapos, pag yan talaga nakita ko sa school, pupunta ko yung mga ganyan. So, ulo,
You can just getting uncomfortable.
Nice experience ako sa mga ganyan. Very Gen Z talaga.
Very Gen Z.
Ay, meron pa ako naalala. Kasi birthday ko yun. So, yung mga friends ko, alam nila na, ay, si Colette at saka si ganito, ganyan.
Sino?
Ay, baka mag-name drop.
She's like trying to.
Sinurprise nila ako sa gym. May pa-banner sila. Happy birthday!
Aww, that's so cute.
Pag naaalala ko, nare-realize ko na, oo nga, no, very Gen Z talaga yan. May paano, happy birthday, tas may rose pa yun, tas may picture niya. As in, grabe. Na-realize ko, ang ano ko naman, ang arte ko naman. Diba?
Very main character energy,
Oo,
di
main
ba?
character.
Sa
Siyempre,
gym pa
birthday
talaga.
That's
mo eh.
cute.
Buti hindi kayo pinagalitan ng teacher niyo. Supportive naman.
Hindi rin. Sikat ba kayo sa school niya? Alam mo yun na, uy, magjowa si Maloy at si ano, parang boyfriend to, sa ganyan.
Ay, grabe, oo talaga, no? Hindi,
The-
feeling ko, kilala lang, kasi yung ex ko nun is cheerleader. Tapos ako, parang kumakanta-kanta ako. Ako yung taga-kanta ng Lupang
Oh, that's
Himno.
cute.
Ganyan, taga-kanta ng hymn ng Cavite, hymn ng school, hymn ng Dasmariñas. So parang ganun din, oo.
Kasi ako din, taga-kanta rin ako.
Kaya ang aga ko lagi sa school eh.
At taga-kanta din ako, tapos meron din akong dance group. So, baka ma-search nila na dance din. Pero yun, kami sa isang group. So, yun. Pero friends na din kami. Like, pag magkikita kami, natatawa nila kami, pinabalikan namin yung mga ganun. Hindi ko maisip na,
Well, that's good that it wasn't a traumatic breakup.
Real na po ang kwento ni Kulit.
Alam, ngayon nyo lang ito narinig, guys.
Oo nga. Well, eto, sige, balik tayo. May kwento ka ba? Or may kwento ba yung parents mo kung paano sila nagligawan noon? Kung paano yung love nila to each other?
Wala. Hindi ko natanong yan. Oo nga, no. Paano nga sila nagligawan?
O paano sila nag-meet? Ganun, paano nila?
Hindi ko alam, seryoso.
Hala, seryoso?
Oo.
She never asked?
Ikaw muna, mag-isip na ako. Baka may...
Ako, ang alam ko, though hindi ko alam yung buong storya ng nanay at tatay ko, pero ang alam ko nag-meet sila sa
Oh.
office. Ganyan, oo. Tapos yung parang, kain-kain din sa labas. Very, parang masasabi natin, parang ginagawa din natin ngayon. Ayun.
Kasi kasi yung tatay ko, di ba, musician. So, nasa banda siya. Feeling
So,
ko
runs
doon sila
in the family.
nagkakilala. Alam mo yun, parang nasa movie na nagbabantay na tatay ko. Tapos, biglang isang customer nanay ko yung gano'n. Feeling ko doon sila nagkakilala.
Well, parang na-visualize ko, biglang kumasok na, tumutugtog si tita. Biglang pumasok si tita.
Tapos nag-slow mo.
Tapos,
Nangyayari na ba sa'yo yung slow
A
mo?
movie.
Alam mo yung slow mo?
Literally.
Feel na, wow.
oo.
Sa guy na yun, kung ano yung sa ex mo, or kahit sino yung sa crush mo, feel mo nag-slow mo lang.
Oo.
Yung mundo na.
Akala ko din hindi totoo yun, pero nung... hindi. Pero feeling ko na naranasan ko na siya.
Okay.
Sa pusa namin.
Do I move in slow-mo for you?
Oo. Yan. Ikaw.
Hindi, natanong ko lang kasi naisip ko yung slow mo. Pero ano nangyari sa akin? Kasi sige sabihin natin late bloomer. Late bloomer talaga ako. So, wala akong masyadong alam talaga sa mga ganito. So, mga ganito, yung mga pinag-uusapan natin, first time ko talagang i-share. And first time ko, madami akong mga first, like, madami talaga. So, feeling ko, ikaw ang spotlight ngayon. So,
Ako talaga. Grabe ka.
may mga kwento pa ba na ako sa ex mo dati na
Ano pa ba yung mga
masasabi mo, Gen Z talaga kayo?
Gen Z.
Or, ano ba yun? Ako wala kasi talaga eh. Kahit anong isipin ko, wala talaga. Open ba kayo? Sa family niyo?
Oo. Kami nung ex ko is, very open kami sa both families namin. And ayaw ko kasi nagtatago
Nasa
talaga.
bagay.
Oo,
Bakit
ayaw ko
naman
nagtatago sa parents ko. So, ayun, nakakasama ko siya pag umuwi kami sa province namin. And ganun din ako sa kanya. Like, nakakasama ko siya sinasama niya ako sa province
that's nice.
nila.
May
That's
curfew
nice.
ka?
Oo naman, oo. Feeling ko pag mga 6 p.m. galit na yung nanay ko.
6
Siyempre,
p.m.?
ano,
Cindy!
Kahit na, alam niya, kahit may tiwala siya sa guy,
Oo.
iba pa din kapag nasa poder niya na ako, pag nandun na ako sa bahay. Like yung, hindi na siya worried. Ganun.
Ganyan din yung tatay ko. Specifically tatay ko talaga. Kasi natatapos yung class namin ng 7 ha. 6 pa lang, parang magsi-7 pa lang. Call, asan ka na? Palabas pa lang, patapos pa lang ako
7 p.m.
Oo, 7 p.m. yung class namin. So, very, very strict talaga. Oo. Pero ganun
It's
naman
crazy
talaga
to
eh,
think that because
pag
they're
lagi na
so
babae.
well renowned around the world.
Very strict talaga.
Nag-take notes kasi kami.
Oo nga eh.
Oo. Handa kami.
Eto, ma-text ka ba? Text or phone calls?
Text.
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 Ako mas prefer ko na phone calls kasi Pag text kasi, hindi
I
mo alam
agree.
yung tone
I
ng
do agree with her on
message
that
eh.
one.
So, kapag
However,
call,
text is more
baka-
convenient.
Ay, pag text, parang baka may chance na may misunderstood mo yung text kasi hindi mo naman alam kung paano niya sasabihin. Like, kunwari, yung text is, ano ba yan? Pwedeng, ano ba yan?
That's why I send
Ano ba
emojis and
yan?
gifs.
Diba?
Yeah.
So, mas prefer ko na phone calls. Ikaw?
Same. Kasi magbagal ako mag-reply talaga.
Oo.
Hindi talaga ako ma-type. So, kumare, may kausap
Parang
ko yung family ko.
nakakaligtaan mo.
Oo. Yun ang sa isip ko na nag-reply ako. Pero tinignan ko lang pala, hindi ko pala na-replyan. Ganun talaga ako. So, pag may mga friends ako na may mga chika, tapos magre-reply ako, voicemail ko na.
Ay, oo.
Ito na, sasabihin ko ganyan. Or
You used to do that
video
sometimes.
call.
Yeah, when it's so long to type, I'll hit an audio note.
Tapos makikita mo din yung expression na tao.
You're hearing me breathe, wheeze, cough, laugh, everything in it.
Pero parang naisip ko, ang hirap nun, no? Nung before, nung old school love.
Totoo.
Kasi, paano sila mag-uusap, no?
Kunwari, nasa Cavite ka. Kunwari, magkajowa tayo. Tapos
MSN.
magjowa tayo. Tapos nasa Cavite ka. And then, nandito ako sa QC. So, magpapadali ako sulat sa'yo. Ganyan.
Oo.
Tapos magkita tayo ng ganito, ganyan. So, kunwari, pinadala ko yan kagabi. Tapos hindi mo
Wow.
nabasa. Tapos nag-antay ako sa'yo sa plaza. Yung ganun. So, hindi mo ako susulputin.
Yung kayo sobrang hirap talaga.
No?
Oo.
That would be hard, yeah.
Pero ang effort.
Totoo, ang
Okay.
effort. Yun din naman, yun din nga yung parang maganda sa old school love. Kasi, effort talaga kung effort. Kung paano talaga yung isang tao. Like,
Yeah, you know they're not
mag-effort
playing
ka
'cause it
talaga
takes
para
lots of
ipakita
effort.
yung
Yes, it's
love
true.
mo. Unlike kasi ngayon, sobrang, dali na ng mga bagay. Like,
But I feel like when
I
someone
mean,
wants something,
when
they'll
it
put
comes
the
to
effort. If
technology,
they don't, they
like,
don't.
isang text lang, nandyan na.
When
Diba,
he wants to, he
mabilis
would.
na i-call, mabilis ng tawagan.
If he wanted to, he would.
Unlike nung noon pa, like noon pa lang, ang hirap talaga. Ganun. So, to show your love, you have to make an effort. Diba?
Yeah, and then speaking of effort, feeling ko kasi, kaya nagtatagal yung mga magka-jowa,
Magka-jowa. Go.
nagtatagal yung dating magjowa dati, like, old school talaga. Kasi, dun nila natitest yung effort talaga. Alam mo yun? Kasi, mag-effort ka na lang, pero hindi ka pa magseseryoso. Para sa yung effort mo. So,
Oo.
yun talaga. Alam mo yung nagde-date to marry na lang sila dati.
Oo.
Kasi ngayon kasi, feeling ko sa mga stories din ng mga classmates, mga friends ko, classmates ko, yung mga maluloko ngayon, nag-e-effort na din.
Ay, just
No, for real.
Diba? Pati maluloko ngayon, nag-e-effort na din. So, hindi mo na ma-distinguish.
That is true.
For,
You guys!
no?
Actually, na-realize ko, napapatuloy
I didn't
ako.
necessarily get players. I got liars.
Oo, ano? Bakit kaya?
There were liars in
Ngayon,
my
hindi na, kasi
Basket.
gaya nga sabi ko,
plenty.
dati parang date to marry na sila.
Mm-mm.
Sa ngayon kasi parang date for experience,
Oo,
for
tsaka
less-
parang
for
trial
fun.
and error.
Yeah.
Okay, try natin kung mag-work tayo. Kung hindi, edi hindi. Ay,
Oo.
pero no judgment naman sa mga ganun. Feeling ko ano yun sa parang kung ano na pag-usapan ng both ends. Kung okay, tayo muna, okay, kung mag-work tayo, edi go, kung
Try-
hindi,
try kung
hindi.
mag-go.
Oo,
Diba?
diba? Depende. Pero, ayun, siguro for experience din. Nangyayari naman kasi, nangyayari
I did
naman
learn a
kasi
lot.
talaga siya.
Oo, may mga ganun. Pag hindi na, huwag mo kaya pilitin.
Pero, hindi, pipilitan natin! Walang hindi
No.
Kasi parang, seryoso, totoo nga.
Of course
So
eh.
parang, kung ikaw ba, papipiliin ka yung ganitong Gen Z, something na gusto mong ma-experience or yung mga traditional.
Well, ako, happy ako kung may experience ko ang any kinds of
Oh, that's a good
love.
answer.
Kung hindi mabibigay sa akin ng future love life ko ang gusto ko, okay lang sa akin. Pero syempre gusto ko din maranasan yung traditional, yung as inaharanahin ako, ganun, pagsisibakin ng kahoy. Kahit wala naman kami Pero diba, yung parang pagsisilbihan ka, pagsisilbihan yung family mo. And, ayun, parang ang sarap makita na, as in, pinupursue ka talaga ng guy. And kahit kayo na, kahit kayo na, dapat, pinupursue mo pa din yung,
That's true.
yung mahal mo,
She's
diba?
speaking
Kasi
facts right now.
hindi porket naging kayo na, okay na, okay na ako.
Nakuha ko
Okay
yung
siya.
oo niya. Yung mga
Oo.
ganun, parang mawawala na yung pagiging,
Totoo.
maano niya. Ano tawag niya? Pagiging, hindi siya consistent.
Oo, yun na.
Ano mo yan? Oo.
Yeah, once they court you, they think it's not important.
Yeah.
Ikaw ba?
Alin?
Anong gusto mo parang maranasan?
Kasi very, yun na nga, very conservative. So feeling ko, traditional din talaga. Pero siguro may halong,
The mixture.
may halong Gen Z na.
Hybrid?
Mixture. Parang ano. ganyan
I know, it would
din.
more be hybrid.
Hybrid's
May,
nice.
may combination of Gen Z. Kasi syempre may technology na. So, feeling ko,
I'm pretty
ang saya-saya
hybrid, no?
na. Ma-letters kasi ako. So,
Ako din.
Ma-letters
Ako din
ako.
mahilig ako magsulat ng
Mm-mm.
mga letters.
So, you could, kunwari, hindi lang galing sa Blooms.
Oo.
Lahat ng letters nila nasa akin talaga. May isa akong drawer
Ako
na.
din.
That's cute.
Oh, that's
So, yun,
adorable.
mga letters ako. So, ang saya pag binabalik.
I'd love to go to that, go
May
through that
nakikita
drawer.
ako Nasa
Ariel,
mga,
it's personal
isang
property.
platform na, parang na after ilang years, nakita ulit nila yung mga letters na nasa baul. Tapos, alam mo yung lumang-luma na. Pero sobrang sobrang ganda
Gusto mo
talaga.
din yun.
Tapos,
Parang time capsule.
Oo, tapos, kunwari may magbibigay sa akin ng flower, lahat ng petals doon, tinatanggal ko. Tinatanggal ko, tapos dinadry ko siya. Tapos,
Oh, that's
nilalagay ko.
cute.
Oo,
That's cute.
sobrang-
That's something you would do,
sobrang
Miriam.
ganun ako.
I would.
Ikaw, ano, kung wari may mga love language na tayo.
Oo. Okay.
Ano bang gusto mong ma-receive?
Ma-receive. Lahat po.
Anong top ano mo?
Yeah, you can pick
Anong
top.
Yung,
love
okay.
language mo?
Quality time.
Yeah, I think
That's
time is
Quality
very
time.
important.
Kahit yung, kunwari, magkasama
Yan yung gusto mong ma-receive.
Oo, quality time. Kahit na yung hindi kami nag-uusap, pero yung presence niya lang nararamdaman ko, that's enough for me. Like,
That's
kunwari,
totally me.
nasa isang room kami, and then ako may ginagawa ako for myself, siya may ginagawa siya for himself or herself, diba? Okay na ako dun, masaya na ako dun. As long as nandyan siya, nararamdaman ko yung presence niya, masaya na ako. And I think that's love. Kasi may ginagawa siya para sa
Love is not
sarili
hard.
niya.
People make it
Hindi
hard.
lang siya nakafocus. Ayaw ko kasi nung
Look how simple that
nang
was.
umiikot lang sa akin yung mundo. Gusto ko,
Pero may mga ganun na. May mga ganun naman.
yung gusto ko kami, pero nagagawa
It's
niya
the
pa
other
yung mga
unidentified
bagay na
identified
gusto niyang
factors
gawin.
that
Minsan
play a
ganun.
role.
Ganon.
Yeah.
How about you?
Ako naman, mas more on, ako, acts of service ako. Parang, hindi, parang na-realize ko nun, sabi nga ng ate ko, parang lahat ka ng family namin, kasi hindi kami sobrang pinalaki ng sweet na,
Ayun, oo.
I love you.
Very,
Hindi
Oh, they're
ano,
opposites.
Hindi kami pinalaki na parang mag-open up yung mga
I'm physical touch and,
dahil
and
sa-
quality time.
Parang yun yung nakasanay. Ganun yung
It's my
parents
top
mo.
two.
ganun
Oo,
talaga.
hindi din
Oo.
sweet sila. So,
Receive or give?
pakita nga namin.
I like to give.
Through actions. Ganun kami. Through actions. Oo.
Okay.
So,
Yeah,
Don't-
kasi-
You all the time. I give you gifts all the time.
No. I'm saying you like to receive quality time or
gusto mo matanggap?
Oo.
Ito,
Ano
ako
kasi
din,
ako?
parang,
Words of affirmation.
oo, parang ang sarap din naman na matanggap mo lahat.
Mm.
Diba? Like,
I think
hindi naman
eventually in a relationship you get to
yung in
that
your
where you
face,
hit all five of
diba?
them.
Pero
No,
masarap
yeah, for
din
sure.
na
And if you
kaya
don't, that's a problem right there.
pagsindihan
Drop
ka,
it.
Kaya niya sabihin na ang ganda mo
No, I'm
today.
joking. Work it out.
Na parang paparamdam sa yung presensya niya. Parang yung lahat ba? Ganun. Bibigyan ka niya kahit yung lollipop lang. Naku, ano ko yan.
Or yung mga,
Diba?
uy, nakita ko
Yeah,
to
it's
and
sweet.
this reminds me of
Oo.
you. Yung mga ganon.
That's cute.
Pero, ayun. Yeah,
She's
sino
really
ba?
tall. You can
So,
tell.
overall,
Right?
feeling ko, alam mo
Both
yung
of them.
yun na nga, na-combine na yung traditional. And, kasi may mga nagsa-serenade pa naman ngayon.
Serenade?
Pwede namang through,
You not want me serenading no one.
Yeah.
So,
That might be good for them because they can sing.
Yeah.
Saan mo gustong, like, ma-feel yung love in Gen Z way ba or in old school love ba?
Totoo. And masasabi ko din na it doesn't matter na kung anong gusto mong pagmamahal, Gen Z man yan o old school love, ang mahalaga nagmamahal.
Mm.
Diba?
That's true.
It's
Nagmamahal.
because we all deserve to love and to be loved.
loved.
Kahit gas-gas na yan,
Yeah.
parang masarap na ulit-ulitin and in-remind kayong lahat na you deserve to love and to be loved.
Yeah.
Diba?
Ang
Yeah.
ganda ng ending na yun. You deserve to, ano ang sabi mo?
You deserve to love
and to be loved.
Yeah.
Before we end this, ano muna ang napulot mo sa akin? O anong napulot mo sa pag-uusap natin?
Mhm. Yun nga, anything naman, as long as nag-e-effort ka, as long as nakikita
Well
mo
said,
you're
Colette.
sincere and yung consistency is there. So, feeling ko any of the two talaga, ma-old school man or ma-Gen Z. Kasi hindi mo naman need ipilit na kailangan kong ganito ka.
Oo.
Kailangan mong maging traditional. So, kailangan mo akong harnay, nasa bintana ako, tapos nandiyo ka sa baba, hindi naman ganun. So, basta ma-feel ko lang na mahal mo. Yeah.
Ako naman, ang napulot ko is parang, ayun din, yung parang sinabi mo na kahit hindi ka showy, ganun, like, parang may different ways tayo na
How to express.
Oo, may different ways tayo on how to express our love. Ayan. Yeah, and that
They're
wraps
cute.
up our episode
Wow.
for today.
Yeah.
Well, they did good.
They did good. I'm proud of them.
Pwede niyong i-comment
That's a hard
kung ano
concept,
prefer
like,
niyo.
to talk about.
Yeah, without saying anything.
I-comment niyo yan kung saan-saan man na.
Yes.
Kung saan-saan. And,
Don't worry, we'll talk about it, guys.
Pakinggan niyo yung mga episodes na to sa aming podcast ng mga walang jowa. So just click our profile and then makikita niyo doon. And we-release kami every Thursday.
Yes, and don't forget to follow us on our social media accounts.
Oh, look, she's
on
doing what you
FB,
do.
Instagram, Twitter.
Look at that.
Yeah, on TikTok. Beanie_PH and at YouTube. Beanie
You get it, girl.
Yes.
Promote
Gusto niyo
those.
pong balikan ang mga sinabi ni Maloy sa podcast na ito. Pwede niyo pong panoorin ito sa YouTube. I'm Beanie Colette.
I'm Beanie Maloy. And we are Beanie. Bye.
They're so cute.
That was so cute. You know what I have to say about this is that back in the days, I'll tell you something.
Yes.
The old school love and Gen Z love, the biggest difference is the availability of options. Like back in the days, there was no Tinder, there was no Musliminder, there was no Muslim app, there was no Hinge, there was no Bumble, there was no B, there was nothing. There was no Instagram, there was no
You just had to
nothing.
find someone in the wild.
You
That's
just
true.
yeah.
Organically, no way.
What?
You didn't meet somebody organically?
Or organically, yeah. And
Back
so
then.
nowadays, I feel like this is why relationships either last or they don't, is because of the options. Like back in the days, like in our parents' days, they would fight. It's like, I'm going to my mom's house. Okay, fine, bye. She's back in the next day to her husband. She's like, I'm back. She didn't go on some app and be like,
Oh, yeah.
"Ooh,
Find someone else to,
swipe,
yeah.
swipe.
Yeah.
That's not what happens. I think these days the options are just so easily available that you almost forget what you really had and like what was really real versus all this artificial. Like you think the grass is greener on the other side all the time. That's not the
You
case.
can't believe people too, because there's so many scammers out
Oh,
there
God,
too, who
yeah.
pretend like they're not,
Ugh,
And
so
then-
frustrating.
and then you like talk to them, and you find out that's not who they are at all.
Yeah.
Like they just
The
lie.
catfishes are
That's what they look
catfishing.
like.
They're not
The
even looking
catfishes
real.
are wild. But I also the catfishes are wild, and then I also think that it all comes down to like those people getting burnt so much that now they're doing it too. Like it all starts from somewhere. You know when they say when a guy is so good, he's such a good guy and stuff, and he gets hurt once, he's a freaking player after that one. Because he's so hurt. He's like, I was so truthful. I was so real. I was so loyal. What did I get in return? I got cheated on. Bro, what the fuck? I'm just going to be a player then. I'd rather be a player. To protect himself. Because he doesn't want to get hurt now. Now he's going to
Right.
be the one who's going to hurt.
Yeah.
And I think some of them take it way too far. But, again, it came from somewhere. It came from a place of hurt.
So are you leaning more towards traditional love for you?
Oh,
yourself?
100%. Any day.
What about you, Sandy? Traditional or Gen Z?
Oh, traditional for sure.
100%. I love the whole card. You guys have seen me. I like doing the card. Well, like, not that's not what I meant. But, like, they know, like, I say things that I would like to do is, like, writing cards and, like, doing more, like, hands-on, like,
Well, you're a giver.
making things.
You like
yeah,
to
my love language is giving.
What's your love
I was
language?
old quality time.
Yours is physical touch.
Yeah.
And yours is.
What I like to receive.
You'll know if I like you or
Time.
not because I won't touch you at all.
That's greatness. No, but I did.
That's why I'm in the middle of y'all, because I love y'all. That's why I'm like, oh, and then I'm like, oh.
I did grow up old school. But here's the problem with old school, too. You had to be sneakier. Because, like, if I had a boyfriend in middle school, we didn't have phones to talk. Like, we didn't have phones to talk
You
to
had
each
to make
other.
more effort.
I had to sneak out of the house in the middle of the night
Sandy.
to talk to my boyfriend. You know what I mean? Like,
She's
you
a
had to be
baddie.
sneakier like that.
Well, I know there's
You know what I
obviously
mean?
downs and there's like ups and downs.
For
to it.
both.
Well, and it's
But I
harder
think-
to cheat, though, because, like, you can't
Yes,
go.
this
you
is
can't-
true.
These
This is
days,
true.
the way you catch people cheating left, right, and center because they make stupid mistakes is wild.
GPS stuff and all that. People track people now.
Sandy,
It's
have you
totally
seen
different.
the new camera zooms? You can see through their pupil who they're looking at.
Oh yeah, it's ridiculous. We didn't have any of that.
So, and I just think, no, I mean traditional love in the sense how it's like kind of, it's more like innocent. It's not like, I don't want to say anything, but it's not like, you know, like the first date, they're like being so weird and like trying to hold hands and kiss and whatnot. Like I feel like,
You like the
shacking
courting.
up?
You like the courting.
I like the courting part, yeah.
You don't like the one night stand.
No.
No.
Hell no. But like for me, it's like the courting. It's like, oh my god, you're making an effort. Let me play
Yeah.
hard to get, but not. I mean, like not hard to get, but
Let me
like
go with this.
you know what I mean, Sandy? Like the courting and just like the time you take to actually get to know someone, and the time you actually take to like. You put in effort to like, oh, so what do you like? Do you like snacks? These days, you do a Google search and you find their address too.
Yeah.
There's no asking anything.
It's true.
You find it right away. It's all available. There's no like, I feel like there's no
Like the art of getting to know someone for real,
Yes.
for sure. Like
exactly.
in person is gone.
It's gone.
Unless you choose to go that route.
Nowadays, you text and you talk before you even like
Which is good too.
meet up.
Which is good too.
But you don't know if they're real, Sandy. And then you
That's the
meet them
problem.
at
That's
the
the thing.
restaurant or wherever y'all are meeting.
Because I've experienced that.
and then
It's
you're
not
just
good.
like, oh, you're not personality that you were texting me.
Mm-hmm.
That's why you start doing those random things where you're like, hold a damn spoon and say 2025 and send me a picture.
Well, like they seem so nice and they're so respectful in text, but then you come in and they're like rude to their waiter.
Mm-hmm. Oh, no.
Oh,
You know,
yeah.
like those kind of people. Like
Yeah.
it's not
Those kind of
matching
people.
up with how they were in text. You can see they were putting their best self forward and kind of hiding.
Mm-hmm.
It's easier to hide
yeah.
stuff when you're
Yeah.
just texting.
Yeah, it's ridiculous.
But it comes out when you start spending time with them.
Oh, yeah. 100%.
But it's like I wasted a whole month talking to you on text before I met you.
Yeah.
Because I needed to make sure you weren't a creepy serial killer.
Yeah.
Well, I think that's why this could be very controversial, what I'm about to say. It's like, unless you don't feel like this is your person or like, okay, yes, this is it for me, kind of continue getting to know people. Like, don't put all your eggs in
Yeah.
one basket.
That's what people do.
Until you feel like it's it. Like, no, you know how you were saying, like, I wasted a month? You really, like, you got 3 more options. You know what
Yeah.
I mean? Like, not in a bad way,
No,
though.
you
Like,
keep talking
get to know people.
until you're official.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And that's the other thing. As you're getting to know more people, you're also realizing, ooh, do I really like that now? Do I really don't? Like, you're also figuring out what you really want in your person, regardless who it is. I just think it's important to just be able to have this conversation and, like, just not put all your eggs in one basket.
Yeah, you shouldn't be official if you're just talking on like a phone. You've never actually met someone.
Right. Yeah, people do though.
Well, I know it's also easier
Mhm.
said than done. Is like having feelings in just a talking stage. Completely take that out. Speaking from real bad experience, but like take feelings out completely, because I feel like when you're talking to someone with so much feeling, just in the talking stage, you miss things. You miss red flags because you're like, oh, never mind. That's a beautiful pink, glorious flag, right? No, that's a whole red looking thing.
Yeah.
Okay, but you're dismissing it because you're so attached to this person now. Like attachment, feelings, and all those things just need to be put aside, and you just have to have like proper like
Yeah.
straight conversations and then see where you want to go.
Well, and I think it's also to have a good like people that you can bounce like off like
Compatibility?
Like, yeah, no, for friends.
Oh,
like
yeah,
have
yeah,
friends
yeah.
around you so you can share your relationship
And you'd be like,
and be like,
that doesn't sound right.
and so like and not be like, oh, like dismiss what your friends are saying. Like they care about you.
Yeah.
Like you should get other opinions. Like, he said this and I said like you know like bounce off
Mm-hmm.
and get like
yeah,
feedback.
that's been the case with me. Oh, something died. Camera died, I mean.
Oh, so sad. Okay, well, you want to say the ending real quick?
On here?
Yeah,
Just like that?
it's still recording this.
Oh, okay.
Sorry, guys.
Oh, and the laptop's about to die. Anyways, guys,
Yes,
we
we
were just rudely cut off because the camera died. But like, I guess you guys get the point. We are like really leaning towards the traditional part, but like a little bit of Gen Z added.
You go
It's a
find your
hybrid.
love. You deserve
Yeah,
to be
you do
loved.
you.
Yeah, you do you. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and TikTok.
It's
By
gonna
the
die.
way,
Hurry.
it's back. Like, comment, subscribe. Bye.
You showed your phone. We're not even going to record. We're
Wow.
not even recording that.
Yeah, the camera died. They can't see you showed your phone.